everything I'm taking for the High Sierra Trail. Backpack. And in here I have some first aid, Band-Aid, some medicine, ibuprofen, Diamox, and I think, I don't know, something else in here. Let's see. This is the tent that we're taking. This is Gosma Gear, the 2. This is my quilt. This is a 25 degrees from Enlighten Equipment. Not taking a liner. Sleeping pad. I like this one. It's held up pretty well. A pillow that I'm not super excited about, but it's inflatable. This is my earplugs, eye mask. A down jacket. Usually take one with me. Just got this one because my other down jacket lost a bunch of feathers in. This is one from Black Diamond. And it fits pretty long. This is a small and it's actually a bit loose on me. But should be okay if I wear it outside of the clothes. But a little bigger is better than not big enough. This is a rain jacket from Outdoor Research, and it kind of stuffs into his own pocket here. I think this is the helium. These are what I'm wearing tomorrow. They're convertible pants, shorts from REI. And what else is in here? A stuff sack for my clothes to keep organized. I am bringing 2 sun tops that I will rotate and wash the other one when I'm not wearing it. I debated bringing a long sleeve for sleeping. It's just a cotton shirt that's kind of stretchy and should be pretty comfortable. 2 sports bras. I'll switch them out. This one is merino wool. I have 3 pairs of underwear. I'm wearing one right now, and I'm taking these 2. This one is merino wool, so should be pretty good. I'm bringing 3 pairs of socks. Maybe I should just bring 2, but these 2 are toe socks on the right, and then this is just socks from Darn Tough. Maybe on colder nights I can wear for sleeping. And then besides my convertible pants, I have these that I really like. They're super lightweight from Mountain Hardwear, and these are coming long and they're decently lightweight, so I'll wear this to bed. Peacock for women things. I think I'll bring this for washing, maybe if I can wash myself in a creek and whatnot. The Jetboil here. I have the Jetboil stash. This is a handmade bag I got from Egypt, from Mount Sinai. And then along with the Jetboil is a fuel, which is about the same size that my partner is carrying, headlamp. It's fully charged. And then over here I have a bug net. And then in terms of my toiletries and whatnot, bring some lotion, toothbrush, eyeliner, and comb. I've got some sunscreen in here. An extra bag. These are electrolytes. These are caffeinated. Just put taped over it, and then this is non-caffeinated. Pair of gloves in case I need it for Whitney. A little bit of an accessory, but this is a pump for the mattress pad. I don't know, a plastic bag for whatever, carrying things. And this is all of my food except for lunch and dinner tomorrow. So I went ahead and labeled them. Day 2, day 3. Everything's in here. Day 4 through 6. Hopefully we'll be done by early afternoon on day 6. So all of my food and then snacks in here for day 1. Just nuts and stuff, and then oatmeal for day 2, but I'm just carrying in this container. So all of my food weighs, except for dinner and lunch tomorrow, which is a foot-long Subway, All of this weighs 6.75 pounds. It's a little bit on the lighter side, but should be okay. And besides that, I also got a buff in here, sunscreen, Karki anti-itch cream, bug spray, and then that's not in this picture is a bear can that we're sharing. So that's everything I'm taking for the High Sierra Trail. Tomorrow I will weigh myself carrying a backpack and I'll know how much it weighs. And the last thing is water filter. I just put a new filter on here, so it should flow freely. And then a 2-liter carrying case.